Good day everyone, my name is Isabel Simbulan, your student nurse for today. So for today's demonstration, we're going to be doing a transferring a patient from the bed to a stretcher. The expected outcome is the student should be able to perform transferring a patient from the bed to a stretcher correctly. So after po nating ma-check ang medical records ng pasyente, of course, we have to do hand hygiene. Just to avoid uh, being contaminated or experiencing any cross-contamination while assisting the patient. After po natin ma-identify ang patient and mabigyan siya ng privacy, we're gonna proceed now for the demonstration itself. So for the rationale, it serves as ensuring absolute patient safety while protecting healthcare workers from musculoskeletal injuries.